Guys, oh. Pero dito lumalaban tayo ngayon guys. Mr. B! I miss you darling. Kaya muna tayo darling. At least mayroon tayong isda. Hapon guys. Let's get tayo looking that video. Si Papa Jer guys, continuous na tayo guys. See, at least may catching already guys. Iskulis lang. And one talaga guys in the beach side, and one fisherman in the side. She said not yet catching, only si Papa Jer guys catching already guys. Alright, see, still alive guys. Plus this one, continuous na tayo guys. Let's go, Mr. B, continuous. Not bad already guys. Kasampo tayo na, okay na yan. Guys, so mabigat to guys. Yan, laban na lang natin to guys. Ayun, malaki naman guys. Ayun, laki, tatlo. Lagi, tapos yung isang fisherman guys, ito tayo, kung malaki na din tayo yan, plus ito, tatlo na. Sana continuous pa, kaso lang ang tinapay natin guys, sana sugod ni side 4 days na guys. Wala si Papa Jerry guys, di ako bumili guys, tinamad pumunta sa okay guys, continuous na tayo guys. Kaya mahirap. At least, kuha naman guys, kahit paano. Makigat talaga pag malaki-laki guys. Ayan guys. Yan. Yun ang huli natin guys. Yan. Ang high blood na si Papa Jerry guys, kasi yung bread natin luma. Alright, sige lang. So guys, gandang laban to. Pero pa, yun, laki siya guys, pugate siya, sige. Takot mo kung maatak mo pa. Ayun guys. Kayahin na kita. Mahirap na. At yun, nakadali tayong isang malit guys. Ito Alright, let's go guys. Yan ito talaga guys. You don't have bread already guys. I'm very stupid because I bring my bread little bit, already old, 4 days. See, this my catching. At least I am catching guys. Morning Mar. I feel not good today guys. Yeah. Okay. I bring to the house and then I put the sink again and I check this one. Oh, how many pieces again I catching today, guys? This still have, even it's not big size but it's still okay. Alright, let's go to my house, guys. Continuous natin doon, guys, kung how many pieces catching today. Let's go. Alright, ito na. Ito na yung huli ni Papa Deer again, guys. Yesterday and sa ngayon. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like my video, guys. Like and share. And please subscribe. God bless you, guys. I love you, guys. And I love you, Mama in the beach, guys. And I love you, Mr. B and Omar, guys. Love you, guys. See you soon, guys. Another may video, guys. At least meron naman tayo. Nahuli kapon tsaka ngayon. Puntis na natin, guys. Okay? Alright. God bless, guys.